In this episode, we will be learning how to send a personal message in Zangi Messenger app. To send a personal message in Zangi, open the Zangi application on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in. Now, you can tap on the Contacts tab and select one of the contacts to which you want to send a message to. You can also select one of the ongoing conversation from your chat screen. Select the contact's name or the conversation and then type down your messages in the bottom of the screen. After typing down your message, tap on the blue send button at the bottom right. But before that, if you want to include emojis or attachment, you can also go ahead and tap on GIF option at the bottom right. To attach a media such as photos, videos, or documents, you can tap on the plus button at the bottom left and select photos, videos, or documents to make your messages more personalized. And that is how you will be able to send personal message in Zangi. If the recipient you are trying to send the personal message to is not on Zangi, they will need to download the app to receive your message. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.